Hi, I'm Chris from knivesandtools.com. Today I'd like to talk to you about finding the correct sharpening angles for your knives. Many people wonder what the exact angle is on their knife. Well, the truth is, with each knife it's slightly different. And so, I'll be showing you my favorite way to find a knife's sharpening angle. A lot of knives these days are made in advanced factories, but most are still sharpened by hand and these angles can vary slightly. The best thing to do is to find the exact angle on your knife, and if you feel like it can be adjusted to your preference. If you're looking for a durable edge, you want to make the angle more obtuse, and for a sharper edge, you make the angle more acute. You will always sacrifice one aspect over the other, so try find a balance to your use and understand the limitations of your blade. Now I will show you how to get the correct angle using a marker as a visual reference. This trick can be used in all forms of sharpening, from freehand using stones, guided systems including the Wicked Edge, Edge Pro, Lansky, Sharpmaker. As long as you need to find an angle, this method will do the job. For demonstration purposes, we have clamped this knife on the Wicked Edge to make it easier for the camera to see. For this method, simply mark the whole edge. The aim is to remove the marker from the length of the edge bevel. If the sharpening angle is too shallow or acute, it will hit the shoulder. If the sharpening angle is too steep or obtuse, it would only hit the very edge. If you get it just right, it'll look a bit like this. Lastly, here's a few tips. Don't start with a low grit or a coarse stone when finding the initial angle. Use the finest you have so it does not damage the edge from too much material removal. And once you get started, feel free to mark the edge from time to time when going through your grits. Here's our angle on finding your angle. I wish I learned this trick when I was starting off sharpening, but now you know. I'm Chris from Knives and Tools. Have a knives day.